Good morning, all of you. Sweet good morning and welcome back to our math class. So, dear students, today we discuss about your decimals. Okay. अभी तक अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर लो, साथ ही साथ बेल आइकन ज़रूर दबाना, क्योंकि अगर आप बेल आइकन दबाओगे तो नोटिफिकेशन पहले आपके साथ होगी। तो आज हम लोग बहुत ही खुश भरा है, यानी कि हम लोग सिंपल मेथड में सीखेंगे डेसिमल्स को। तो ध्यान दीजिए, स्टार्टिंग से लेकर एंड तक वीडियो ज़रूर देखनी है। ओके, सो स्टडी द फॉलोइंग पिक्चर्स। लिसन, study the features that statements noted against them. Suppose this one is your rectangular shape and one part suppose is shaded. Okay, how many parts shaded? One part shaded. So the rectangular paper strips is divided into 10 equal parts and the shaded part represent the fraction. Okay, so one part is shaded. How many part? The rectangular shape divided 10 part. So 1 by 10 is called fraction, as you know. So you can call 1/10 of the whole. Listen, 1/10 of the whole. Okay. When we said it two parts, so you can call 2 by 10. When the three parts said 3 by 10, then 4 by 10, then 5 by 10, then 6 by 10, like that. So in the decimal types as well as it equal to decimal fractions, how we convert the fractions into decimals. So listen about how we convert. Suppose how we write 1/10. Fraction is 1 by 10, but decimal is 0.1. सिंपल मेथड बताओ, अगर आपको डेसिमल जाना है तो यहाँ पे एक जीरो है। ओके, तो एक नंबर को छोड़ने के बाद आप पॉइंट डालना है, तो 0.1 थे, तो आप कैसे लिखोगे? 0.1. ओके, सो सपोज 3/10, 3 by 10, which means 0.3. So 0.3. It is simple. Yes or no? It is simple. Yes or no? 0.3. Suppose 7/10. It means 7 by 10. It means 0.7. So you can call 0.7. 100. 100th. दिस मीन्स 1 by 100. हाँ देखो, यहाँ पे डबल ज़ीरो है, तो मैंने बताया था अगर आपको जीरो यहाँ पे है तो आपको एक नंबर छोड़ने के बाद पॉइंट डालना है। डबल जीरो तो आपको क्या करना है? 0.01 लिखना है, क्योंकि एक ही नंबर है। अगर हम लोग जीरो लिख दें तो वही नंबर आएगा, दो नंबर के छोड़ने के बाद आप पॉइंट डालना है। तो आप कैसे लिखोगे? 0.01. Suppose 4,000. 4,000. This means 4 by 1,000, यानी कि 0.004. Yes or no? So 0.004 write down. पॉइंट के बाद आप 41, 42, 43 ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते हो, तो आपको एक एक नंबर की वार लिखना है। तो 0.004 then 4. Okay, then we will discuss about your expanded number. So suppose this one is your point. Okay, this one is your point. So as you know already, when the numerical value it is your right to left, you can identify. First one is 1, then 10th, then 1000, then on 1, 10th, 100, 1000, tens of thousand, then other things. But when the digit place of the unit place of position is called tens. Suppose it is your point, then point upturn, it is called ones, tens, hundred, then thousands, like that. But point before direct, not ones, that tens, okay, hundred, thousand, tens of thousand, like that. Okay, so when we go through tenth to like 10, so divide each step with 10. So when you go to this one is your multiply by 10. Okay, so you can call this in, suppose 0.928. How expanded? How expanded? Point, it is your ones table, so 9 multiplied by 1 equal to 9. It is tens table, 2 multiplied by 10 equal to 20. Then 8 equal to multiply by 100 equal to 800. सॉरी यहाँ पे मैंने गलत बोला था, ये वाला वंस नहीं होता है, यहाँ पे वंस होता है. ओके, सॉरी. So it means this one is your so 0.928. Suppose 0.928, it means place value is, it is your 10 place, so 9 by 10, 2 by 100, then 8 by 1000. Okay, suppose 1.572, this one is 2 by 1000, this one 7 by 100, 5 by 10. Okay, so यहाँ पे होता है इसका वैल्यू वंस मीन्स 1. Okay, so another time, sorry for that, I give some wrong information. Suppose question is 64.385. 64.385. So how do you know 6 value, then 4 value. 6 value is 6 multiplied by 10 equal to 60. 4 multiplied by 1 equal to 4, because it is your ones place, it is your 10 place. Then 3 value is 3 tenth, यानी कि 3 by 10. 800, 8 by 100. 5000, 5 by 1000. Okay, it means 3 by 10 is 0.3, 8 by 100 is 0.8, then 5000 is 0.005. That means 60 plus 4 plus 3.3 plus 0.8 plus 0.005. Okay, so it is all about your expanded number. Suppose another question, 35.924. okay, 35.924. so it is your 4000, it is your 200, 9 tenth. Okay, this one is 5 ones and this one is 3 tenths. So value is 3 tenths, 3 multiplied by 10 equal to 30. 5 multiplied by 1 equal to 5. 9 by 10 यानी कि 0.9. 2 by 100, it means 0.02. okay, 4000 minus 4 1000 यानी कि 0.004. so you can write 30 plus 5 plus 0.9 plus 0.02 plus 0.004. okay, suppose question is 281.705. so you can write ones, tens, hundred, so 200 plus 80 plus 1 plus 7 tenth यानी कि 0.7 plus 0 plus plus 0.005. Okay, and then 5,000, so you can call it as 5,000 plus 100 plus 10 plus ones, tens, hundreds. So it is all about your fractions and fractions and convert into decimals, and then decimals convert into the word form and the also expanded form and compared form. I hope you enjoy the math class. If you enjoy the math class, then subscribe my channel and welcome to the new discover Amruta tutorials. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.